Why are you standing so confidently?
Gravity respects me.
Do you always attract crowds?
Only when I'm awake.
Are you aware you're blocking the walkway?
Yes. History needs space.
What are you looking at right now?
My future audience.
Is this your first time here?
No. I've been noticed before.
Why are you so relaxed? Panic is optional. Do you think people find this amusing?
Judging by the smiles, yes.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Immensely.
Why won't you move along? The moment hasn't peaked. Do you realize you're distracting people?
That's called service.
Do you realize you're distracting people?
That's called service.
What's your intention here?
Leave everyone happier.
What's your intention here?
Leave everyone happier.
Are you waiting for permission?
I already got approval from the crowd.
Why are people cheering?
They recognize excellence.
Are you trying to be memorable?
It's happening naturally.
Do you plan to leave soon?
After the applause.
Why are cameras pointed at you?
I'm camera friendly.
Are you aware of the attention?
Fully. I approved it.
Do you think this is necessary? Joy usually is. Why are people staying instead of leaving?
They're waiting for the ending.
What do you expect to happen now? Laughter, then legends. Why are you smiling? Because this is going better than expected. Why are you smiling?
Because this is going better than expected.
Are you enjoying this situation?
More than my breakfast.
What do you think people see in you?
Confidence with feathers.
Are you aware of the attention?
I sensed it before arrival.
Why won't you step aside?
The moment hasn't finished.
Are you aware of the attention?
I sensed it before arrival.
Do you like public places?
They clap better.
Do you think this is appropriate?
Joy usually is. Why aren't you nervous?
I rehearse confidence daily.
What made you stop here?
The energy felt promising. Do you know you're distracting people?
That's my contribution.
Are you planning something?
Yes? A great exit.
Why do you look so proud?
Because it's working.
Do you expect applause?
I remain hopeful.
What are your mood right now?
publicly successful. Are you comfortable here?
Extremely. The floor listens.
Why do people keep stopping?
Curiosity needs closure.
Do you enjoy being watched? Only by supportive audiences. What's your purpose today? Increase smiles per minute. Why are you so expressive?
Stillness is overrated.
Do you feel important right now?
Temporarily legendary.
Why aren't you flying away? The ground appreciates me.
Is this planned?
Improvised excellence. What do you hear right now? Anticipation. Are you satisfied?
Nearly.
Why are you standing so still?
Letting it land.
What are you waiting for? The laugh to peak. Do you like surprises? Only successful ones.
Why are you relaxed?
I trust the punchline. Set. Any message for the crowd?
Thank you for stopping.